Hello, and welcome to Snapshot Charts for CRM, a dashboard creation utility designed for Dynamics CRM version 4.0 that utilizes the built-in advanced find query mechanism. Today, we're going to expand on the dashboard you see in front of you by adding a fourth chart that will look at the pipeline for the currently logged in user. We'll start off by looking at an advanced find query, a very basic query that shows all opportunities that are currently open and where the owner is the current user. You can see by the result that we've selected columns such as the pipeline phase, the customer, the estimated close date, the estimated revenue, probability, rating, all good candidates for grouping and summarizing in a chart. We move over to the settings area, and we have several options available to us. Snapshot Charts is where we actually define the parameters of a chart. Snapshot Dashboards is where we combine the charts together into a dashboard. So let's start off on Snapshot Charts, and we create a new chart. We need to give it a name, so when we're looking up a list, we have an idea of what we're looking at. So I'm going to say My Pipeline. We have a variety of choices as far as chart types. We'll keep it simple and just create a column 3D chart. We then need to select which entity this is for, and this is for our opportunity. That will then filter which views are available to us. We'll select the view that we saw a minute ago, which is a saved advanced find query, which will now filter the labels so that we know which column we want to group by. So the label or group by is the first column. We want to group by the pipeline phase or step in our sales process. If this was a date field, we'd also have choices on grouping by date. We probably want to put a label, so we're going to say phase. We then need to decide what we want to actually summarize. And here we're going to use the estimated revenue, and we're going to select sum as the operation, and then we're going to give it a label of estimated revenue. We may want to have a caption on our chart, so we're going to say My Pipeline by phase. And that's all we need to do. We'll save our chart. We have a preview button available at the top that lets us take a look and see if that's what we want. And we can now see on the y-axis we have the estimated revenue, on the x-axis we have the phase, and then we have each of the current revenue totals by phase. We save and close, go back to settings, find the chart that, or the dashboard we would like to add the chart to, which was called Salesperson. We see we have 3 charts. We're just simply adding a fourth chart. We can place the chart wherever it is we want by using the sort order field. Here we want it at the beginning, so we're going to use 10. The chart we just created was called My Pipeline, so we'll select that. If we want to change the width and height for this use of this chart, we can. In our case, we won't. So we'll do save, go back to the snapshot chart, and now we see our chart that has been added to the dashboard. This chart, as all charts that we have in Snapshot Charts, allows us to drill through. So if I want to look at the level 4 opportunities, I can see them, and from here I can open up and look at the actual opportunity. I can also do all the standard things that an advanced find query result grid can do, including exporting, reporting, merging, running workflow, etc. And there, in under 5 minutes, you have the ease of use of creating a chart and dashboard using Snapshot Charts for CRM. For more information, including additional examples, pricing, and how to contact us, please visit us on the web at www.snapshotcharts.com. Thank you.